Hello and welcome to CAD for Horticulture. Today we're going to work on the Modify menu, a new tool called the Array. The first thing we're going to need to do is to draw a circle. So we can go up here and pick our circle, or we can just type in C for circle, click in the middle of our screen. And remember, we are now using our base drawings. So we have architectural units set up so we can enter feet and inches. I want this shrub to be 6 feet wide in diameter, so we're going to put in a 3-foot radius because that is the default. I'm going to start a polyline to make some branching. My O snaps are on, so I can go up here and I can just touch the edge of that circle, find the center point, and just draw a simple branch. And then I can hit escape. Now we can get into the command. So here is the array icon. If we pull it down, we have some other array options. We're going to go into polar. It's asking me to select my object, which is this polyline. I'm going to press enter. I'm going to hit the center point of the array, and then it's instantly going to change. Up here on the ribbon has now changed to an interface where you can select different things. So instead of 6 items, we can go 12 items. We can go 15 items. Whatever you think is going to look right for your array. Once you're done selecting the different information here, we're going to hit enter, or we could close the array. So this array is now grouped all these together. It's not a block. We're going to cover that in a future lesson, but it's basically just my branching. So the circle is still independent back here. If you wanted to edit this array, you can simply click on it and it will pull up this menu again, and then you can close the array and it's back to the way it was. So that's how you create a basic array. The next thing I want to show you is how to create a little bit better looking shrub symbol. So we're going to do a circle over here, and if you notice on the command line, it knows that the last circle we drew was 3 feet. We're going to start doing another polyline just like we did last time. So we start the polyline command. It's asking for a starting point, so we can go up and touch that circle, hit the inside of the circle, the center, and now we're going to type in W for width. It's going to ask us what our starting width is. I want to start with 3 inches, and I want it to end at 2 inches. So there you can see it's going to do a tapered line. And now, when I start another segment of polyline, I can type W again. It knows that the starting width is 2 inches, so I'm going to press enter, and I'm going to have it end in 1 inch. And then we're going to do that one more time. We're going to type W for width. It knows that the starting width is 1 inch. I'm going to take it down to 0 and click. And then I'm all done with my polyline, so I'm going to hit escape. So there we have something that looks more like a branch. We could get in here, we could do another polyline from here. We can do width. We can start it at 1 and end it at 0. And then we can actually grab a grip and kind of move it over like that. Then we can array it. So this will be 2 separate polylines from there. Our center point was our beginning point of our branch. And there you see we have something a little bit more dramatic for a plant symbol. And you can get in here and do a bunch of things. I'm going to go ahead and close this array, and I'm going to show you one more quick tip. I'm going to do a circle, and I'm kind of put it at the end of one of those branches. Then I'm going to do another one over here, and I'm just kind of freelancing those. Now I'm going to array. I'm going to pick these 3 circles. I'm going to pick my center point here, and you can see it's going to put these around my symbol there. So I've arrayed these little circles around there. I can check to see if it look better. Actually, that looks a lot better. Then I'm going to close my array. So now I have 2 different arrays going. I have the array of the circles. I have the branching, my 3-foot radius circle there. Thank you very much, and we'll continue this making blocks.